Hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen. We are just going to start some SQL interview questions. Just like we have an columns to divide by zero, and some those records and convert into the percentage. So we will see in this scenario. It's maybe helpful for you to answer into the interview. So just have a look how we can solve this problem. So we have an database, and just I have created the we have written the query as well for that. So just go through the query. We just use test, that the test database is there. So just execute this. Now we have an inserted some value. So you can just check here the number of the values in the column in the table of the number test. In the number test we have two columns. So one is the p volume, another is the c volume. So finally we just have to understand what we wanted to do. Just have a look. Like we have a table, and we just see into the Excel how we can do it. Just a second. In Excel sheet, if you wanted to just understand, so we will have this equal to this upon second column, and similarly we will do like this. This upon this. So this is a 0, and we have a like this, and we have to multiply by 0. So this into 100, just to convert this into the percentage. So we will do here. We have a, if we sum, then we should have 20% of the overall this scenario. Like that, this is the divide by 0. It's infinite number, so it cannot be converted into the percentage or the number. That's why we have to convert into the null value, and then we can sum with this all. So that should like this null 0 and 20, and we have a sum of this value. So we will have an equal to sum of this value. We should have an output like the 20%. Now we see into the Excel, then we will see into the SQL how can we achieve this target. So we have just taken a case statement. If the C volume, the column of the C volume is 0, then we put it into the null. That we have already seen into the Excel sheet. And if it is not null, then we will keep the C volume as well. And in the second, for that we are just going to divide that like that, P volume, if it is 0, so we know that if we divide by 0, that will be infinite number. That's why we should have to convert into the null value, and otherwise keep that value as usual. And now it's just casting into the float to get the point number. And after all, if we divide it by C volume by the P volume, then we can have the floating point number, and just multiply by 100 to get the number of the percentage. So we have a final number is there. Now if you want to check, you can check like this. This is the null and 20. So it has been divided and having the null value of where the 0 either or the infinite number. Now we have to sum. So we have just simply have taken the CTE with the help of this. We have the 20% of the overall. So Thank you very much for watching this video.